Well, here we are, working on a little truck here. That hand's shaking too bad to hold it. This one's alright. Gonna see, I never pull one out. Put this long piece of pipe 2x2 stock in this. I know it's 4x2 right there, but it's a truck bed. Come on. How much weight can it be, really? Just starting to tighten. Thing looking pretty square. Weight transfer. Oh, there it goes. Picking up. It's got a good bow to it, but it ain't kinked. Get her completely unhooked. It's still hanging on something over here on this driver's side. Let's see what that is. Okay. It could be that that chain's just not long enough. Oh, there it was. We just hooked on a little bitty something. Little bitty something. Anyway, and this one for a good friend of mine for her grandson. And like I said, usually them beds are just lightweight. Take apart a few little things there, and as you can see, there it is. Okay, I'll get back at it here in a minute.